Sorry, the previous video got end abruptly. I'll continue here. So we had got the two values of x. This value was negative, so we'll take the positive value. And remember, we have to find, in question they have told to find the sides of the triangle. Okay, sides of the triangle means, what are the sides of the triangle? AB, BC and AC. Okay. So what is AB? In the question, what is AB? AB is x minus 3, BC is x plus 4. So I'll write the values here. AB is x minus 3. X minus 3 means x is 11. 11 minus 3, that is 8. So AB is 8 centimeter. Then BC. BC is x plus 4. X plus 4 means 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15 centimeter. So BC is 15 centimeter. And AC, the last one, is x plus 6. That is 11 plus 6, which is 17 centimeter. These are the three sides of the triangle. Okay, I hope you have understood. In the question, they had given us the three sides and they told us to find the actual value of these three sides. To find the value, first we should know what is x. Correct? Once we know what is x, we can substitute the value and find the sides. Okay, copy this sum. Now, this was the first part of question number 12. The question number 12, second part, is exactly same like this one. So I want you to do it on your own as homework. Okay, try this sum on your own as homework and check your answer behind. Now, I want to discuss one important sum here. If you turn a few pages in your textbook behind, you will find solved example 1. Okay, this solved example 1 is a very important sum. This has been asked in, and this type of sum is not there in exercise. And this was a sum which was asked in exam also. Okay, solved example. So this is the solved example. I hope you have your textbooks in front of you. So I'll read out the question and accordingly I'll draw the diagram also. Okay, because here this diagram which is shown is the part of solution. It won't be given in exam. You will have only this question in exam. Okay, so we have to understand how to draw the diagram. Okay. So it says that a ladder reaches a window which is 15 meters above the ground on one side of the street. Okay, so means, see, there is a window. Let's say this is a window. Okay, a ladder reaches a window means, see, if this is a ladder, it will rest like this and it will reach the window. Okay, ladder is always tilted. Like, for example, if this is a wall, the ladder will be like this, tilted towards the wall. Okay, so I'll draw a ladder here. This is a ladder. Okay, and it reaches a window which is 15 meters above the ground. See, this is the ground level. Okay, and this ladder reaches 15 meters above the ground. So this height is 15 meters. Okay, then keeping the foot of the ladder, see, you have to understand this is the foot of the ladder because if this is the ground, correct? So this is the foot of the ladder. The ladder is like this. Okay, it is kept like this. Keeping the foot of the ladder at same point, the ladder is turned to other side of the street. Means this is a ladder. We have to keep the foot of the ladder same, and we are turning the ladder like this to the other side of the street. Okay. It reaches a window 8 meters high. Means maybe this distance is more. There is another window which is 8 meters high. Okay, when you turn this ladder like this, it reaches a window here. This is the ladder. It reaches a window 8-meter height. Okay, obviously because this distance is more, so this ladder will not be able to reach up. It will fall down because of this distance. Okay, now find the width of the street. See, this is the street. This is one building, this is one building. Okay, and this is the street. Ladder was kept in the middle. Okay, once it was turned like this, then it was turned like this. Okay, we have to find the width of the street, means this is to be found. Okay, and they have given us that the length of the ladder is 17 meters. Okay, means this length, this both ladder is same. Okay, so this is 17, this will also be 17. Okay, we have to find this information. So let's name it A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we have to find this full. So how to find this full length? First we'll find this length, then we'll find this length, and we'll add them. So we'll get total BD. Okay, so I'll write here width of the street is BD. Okay, then you have to understand that the building and the ground are always perpendicular to each other. Okay, we don't have to write any reason for it. It is understood that the building and the ground are always perpendicular. The buildings are never tilted like this. Okay, they are perpendicular. In the same way, this is also 90 degrees. That means in these two triangles here and here, I can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let's apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle first. So in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so see, this is 90 degrees, means this is hypotenuse 17, correct? So AB square plus BC square equals AC square. AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Okay, AB is 15 square plus BC we don't know, and AC is 17 square. Okay, so BC square is, what is 17 square? It is 289, and this 15 square will come here and get subtracted. 15 square is 225. Okay, so 289 minus 225 is 64, and therefore BC is root 64, which is 8. Okay, so in this way we have found that this BC is 8 meters. Now let's find in this triangle what is CD. So again Pythagoras theorem. In triangle, this triangle is, let's name this triangle CDE. Using Pythagoras theorem, CD square plus DE square equals CE square. Okay, what is CD? We don't know. DE is 8 square and CE is 17 square. This 8 square will come here and get subtracted. So CD square equals 289 minus 64. CD square is 225. Okay, that means CD is root 225, that is 15. Okay, so CD is 15. BC we found as 8. Once we know this 15 and 8, what will be the width of the street? That is BD. It will be 8 plus 15, correct? So width of the street, I'll write it here, write like this. Width of the street BC will be 8 plus 15, that is 23 meters. Okay, this is the final answer. I hope you have understood the sum. The solved example was very important, so I had to discuss it in the video. Copy it in this manner, or there is a solution in textbook also. Because it is a solved example, it is done in textbook. In the similar manner, you can copy that also. Final answer is important. You must write the final answer in statements. Width of the street is 23 meters. Okay. Now, I want to tell you that in Pythagoras, the B exercise in this chapter, see. We have completed 13A. Now, this 13B exercise is full of proofs. Okay, full of proofs. And usually every year they are cancelled. Okay, so even if they'll come in exam, even if they come, we'll do them in classes. Okay, because in videos you won't be able to understand. They're difficult. Proofs are very difficult. Okay, they are big derivation, they have big explanations. So if it is there in your syllabus, if the school says yes, we'll do them in classes. So now in the next video, there are only 2 exercises in this chapter, and this exercise was the most important one. Mostly sums come from this exercise only. In fact, in last year boards paper also, 1 or 2 sums came from this exercise. Okay, only 1 sum came from here. And previously, when boards were not there, all the schools used to cancel this exercise completely. Okay, but let's see this year, if this exercise is there, we'll do it in classes, not in videos, because it is difficult. I want you to understand face to face. Okay, so in the next video, I won't be continuing 13B, but I'll start with a new chapter. Okay, I'll let you know which chapter. That's it for today. Thank you.